Weather time, tonight's storm system, let's say its bark was a whole lot bigger than its bite, but it looked like it could have been really kind of bad out there. And let me ask you this.
Yes.
Will we find out how ornery Henri will be? Have a hay like that.
I won't be talking about Henri.
Oh, darn. Tomorrow maybe.
Yes, tomorrow if things are a little quieter.
Right.
Folks want to know about tonight because things I think are still going to be a bit rowdy for us. Let me reassure you that our severe threat has went way down compared to earlier this evening for us. I think if there's any concern for a severe storm, it will be very brief as we go through the overnight. The heavy rain and the flood threat, though, will be rising. Let me give you the big picture of what we've seen today across East Texas. These were the storms that came through during the course of the afternoon hours. The bulk of them really stretching from our central and northern areas. But as we went through the last few hours, we've started to see development take place in our southern counties in deep East Texas and lifting off to the north and northeast. There are going to be some pockets of heavy rain for tonight. It's going to be hard to sleep in, especially given the lightning and thunder like what folks in Longview are dealing with right now. We're going to check that weather camera in just a moment. Rainfall totals over an inch at Tyler Pounds Regional Airport. That's where we had the report of a funnel cloud that was spotted. That led to that severe thunderstorm warning that we had in Smith County. Otherwise, rainfall amounts around 1/3 of an inch to a couple of hundreds, but some areas are really starting to add up with rainfall. Northwest Smith at an inch of rain, Hideaway from about 9:30 at 9/10 of an inch. And here at the station, so much noise, but only little rain. We only had 4 100s. However, I had a report from Miss Gwen in Alba in West Wood County. She had over 4 inches of rain just from this evening. Radar estimate there between 3 to 4 inches as well. You can notice how some of the amounts really begin to pick up. Spotty areas around an inch or so in Shelby County. We had a center report about 9/10, but radar estimating some areas picking up a little bit more than an inch of rain. And the rain is coming down in Longview right now. Been seeing the occasional flash of lightning from time to time, and it's still storming there at this moment. We are sitting in the 70s for most areas, and to the radar we go as we are tracking more rain and thunderstorms. We'll first start near Gilmer to Longview, down toward Henderson, where heavy rain continues to fall. Look at the heavy rainfall that's just coming right through the city right now. So Longview, you're getting some really tremendous amount of rain plus lightning. It is going to progress to the east and to the northeast. Gilmer, rain for you has let up. Some of it will move toward Ore City, but the bulk of it moving into Harrison and Marion counties right now. And as we mentioned, down toward Henderson, you too have seen some rainfall over the last, say, hour or so. Not finding much in Tyler right now, but you get back near Nacogdoches and north of there near Mount Enterprise. Yeah, look at this band of heavier rain near Tenaha, Timpson, Mount Enterprise, back near and just east of Rusk. We're still seeing some of this heavier precipitation. More rainfall moving into West Cherokee, northeast Anderson County. We're still looking at some heavy downpours here. Palestine, you have had your share of heavy rain. And now another batch of rain beginning to move in from Athens, and that's going to approach into portions of Houston County. We expect a wet night of weather. Off and on periods of rain and thunderstorms will continue for us. Some of it will even include portions of deep East Texas as well. But as I mentioned, the severe threat is very low, but the threat of some heavier rain and some minor flooding will be a concern too. So when you start the day tomorrow, come back and check in with us. Carson will have the very latest for you on the storms, and we expect more to develop for tomorrow afternoon. Even more so, cloud cover will hold in place. That means temperatures in the 80s for tomorrow afternoon. A few more showers on Thursday, and then as the rain chances decrease, the heat is on. We'll see if we can get to the upper 90s given all the rain that we have seen from today. Deep East Texas, more storms overnight and continuing at times through Thursday.
All right, Marcus, thank you.
Sports right now, Garrett.